Saanvi's world. I am Saanvi. Today I'm going to tell you how to make an easy salad. And the salads were tasty, yummy and sweet. So let's get started. Here I have cucumber chopped. Cucumbers are very healthy. In summer season, eat a lot of cucumbers. Here I have roasted peanuts that are crushed. Peanuts are very healthy for proteins. This is Jaggery. Jaggery is sweet and it has iron. Now let's get started. Very easy. I'm adding Jaggery and mix it. I don't want to waste any food. Mix it all. It's crunchy and sweet and nutty. I hope you will like this recipe, and if you want any more recipes, please post it. And if you have any comments, please post it. Please subscribe Saanvi's World, and if you have any comments, please post them. Bye!